we got this TKO Raw news with Netflix, and so I'm not going to steal all of Billy's thunder because I know he's well prepared to talk about it this morning. But stock's up over 20%, and it's a really big deal, and it's why we moved on the stock when we did towards the end of last year, because we saw this catalyst coming sooner, we thought, and that's exactly what we got here this morning. So that's really great. And then I'll just say, like, Netflix is up on the news today on this news. It looks like, because they're getting into live sports in a bigger way, or live events rather, which they need to do, I think. But I don't think that's the right take pre-market for Netflix. I think that, if I were a betting man, I'd be fading this pop on this morning ahead of earnings this evening.
Huge news for TKO. Very happy. TKO, again, is one of our best idea longs. We presented the black book on it in December, right before the new year. We wanted to get ahead of this announcement in particular, knowing that it would probably be a positive catalyst for the stock. Just some details on the deal. It's worth $5 billion over 10 years, which is an average of $500 million per year, which is a 1.88 times step up from the previous deal of $265 million per year, which is far above any expectations that anyone on the street but us had. TKO followed up on an 8K this morning saying that the deal has gives Netflix the option to extend for another 10 years after the current 10-year period. So Raw could be on Netflix for the next 2 decades if it all goes well.
Z-Man, like, part of it too, like, this is what happens, like what the way a wily veteran would read them putting out this announcement right before Netflix quarters, because they're trying to give you some good news to offset or perceived to be good news ahead of what, if you guys are right, is bad news, right? So I mean, it's not the timing of this. They get to decide. It's not like it's random. Yeah, you can see why if you just kind of empathize with what, like, a spy monkey or a chart monkey or a what we call the high retail sentiment basket of stocks that was really amplified throughout the pandemic, where a bunch of Monday quarterback people that entered the stock market think they know the stock because they use the product, right? Like, you could see how somebody who only sees new product at Netflix thinks that's good for Netflix. And you guys will let us know if it is on a different duration, but not into the quarter. It's that doesn't surprise me that the street's reacting that way.
Hey there, Hedgeye Nation, or if you're not part of Hedgeye Nation, thanks for watching Hedgeye on YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure to click on the button below there. Subscribe to our YouTube page. You can also follow the link in the description to our website to get even more great investing content.